Welcome to this screencast on working with the skeleton for monographs. First, let us have a look at the general workflow of a book in Language Science Press. It contains 5 major steps: submission, review, proofreading, typesetting, and publication. For the complete description of the workflow, have a look at the screencast, The Workflow of Language Science Press. The use of the skeleton is obligatory for the version incorporating reviewers' comments. You are, of course, free to use the skeleton already for the initial submission. By following the steps detailed here, you will be able to create a complex book according to all the LangSci guidelines. You can get the skeleton from our website. Go to the Templates and Tools page. Download the LaTeX skeleton for monographs. Unzip the file. Let's have a look at the folder. There are quite a lot of files. Most of the files are helper files which can safely be ignored at this stage. The chapters are contained in the folder chapters. Do edit these files. The most important file is the master file, main.tech. It ties all the other files in the folder together. Open the file main.tech. Here we use the program Tech Studio. Go directly to line 56. The master file includes 3 other files here. The other files are called 1.tech, 2.tech, and 3.tech. All of them are located in the folder chapter. You can modify these lines to include more or fewer files, or to choose other files. Make sure that the names match the actual file names. I exclude file 3.tech from the book and include another file called summary.tech. In order to create your book, run the program LaTeX. There is normally either a button or a keyboard shortcut for this. You can also use the menu to access this command. Your Tech file is now being converted into a PDF. If the PDF does not show automatically, you can view the PDF by clicking the button View PDF or similar. Note that the reference to Cymru 1981 is bold-faced, which means that it is not found. In order to update the list of references, run the command bibtech. Then run LaTeX again to show the new PDF. The reference is now correctly printed as Cymru 1981, and the entry is included in the list of references at the end. The actual linguistic content of your book is found in the files you include. Here we see the file 1.tech. You can modify the title and the content of the file. Recompile, and the changes will show up in the PDF. The other files, which you are likely to edit, all start with local. Let's have a look at local metadata.tech. Here, you can add the title of your book, your name, a dedication, and several other pieces of information. When compiling the book again, this information will be included. The file localbibliography.bib contains your bibliography. You can edit the file either in your editor or with a specialized program like JabRef or BibDesk. For more information, see our dedicated screencast for bibliographies. In order to integrate the bibliography into your book, run bibtech. There is normally a button for this command as well. Let's return to our files. The file localpackages.tech is less often edited. It contains references to special packages you might need, for example, for syntax trees or Hebrew script. The file localcommands.tech stores shortcuts. As an example, you can define a command \SAP, which will expand to speech act participant. Add some text, which makes use of the modifications made to localcommands.tech. Run bibtech again to update the references in the text. That's all. We have discussed all the details of the skeleton you need to know in order to produce your book. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this screencast helpful. Don't hesitate to contact us if you have further questions.